Hey, good morning. Welcome. Just want to give you an update. I have a coming soon listing that should be on the market within 7 days or less. And we're here doing the professional photography and the 3D Matterport tour. Photographer's inside, so you might see him. I'm in San Jose right now at 3000 Terrace Cir. This is a condominium in Lakeview Terrace, and it's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. 650 square feet. It has an open concept floor plan, and it has indoor laundry, which is great. An indoor laundry room just off the bathroom. And the seller has updated his air conditioning and furnace. So I believe that's only like 2 years old, which is a great upgrade. So come on in, I'm going to show you this listing. Here we're in the main room, and over here we have a nice outdoor living space. This is a patio, so you can enjoy your dinners al fresco, or it's just visually beautiful to look at when you're in the family room. And then here we have the dining area, and here we have our professional photographer Romero taking 40 or more professional photos that will go on MLS. Some realtors will just use their iPhone. I don't believe in that. I think, you know, a picture says 1,000 words. So I believe in good pictures, and then the walkthrough. I also have, from the Matterport tour, you can get a 2-dimensional floor plan, which is useful for people so they understand if their furniture will fit in the room. That's like floor dimensions. So anyway, here's our kitchen. And as you can see, the seller did upgrade his cabinets and put in some nice granite. Got a little closet here, coat closet. And the new furnace is in this little closet. And now we're in the master bedroom. And there's the bathroom, which has some upgrades in there, and the indoor laundry area. There's the indoor laundry room. So this is 650 square feet, and it's a good start for a first-time home buyer. The homeowner's dues are $545 per month, and this home features beautiful hardwood engineering floors and 6-panel doors. So some nice upgrades from the original condo that was built in 1985. This condominium complex does have a nice swimming pool, a clubhouse, and it's right across the street from the beautiful Lake Almaden Park, which has bocce ball courts and trails. It does have a lake. You can't swim in the lake, but visually it's beautiful. A lot of birds are there. And we're close to Trader Joe's, Costco, Whole Foods. It's just all within a 2-mile radius. Anyway, come take a look during our first open house. Send any first-time home buyer or someone that's looking to scale down. This is a great community. It has its own private circle, the Terrace Cir, and it's great to walk. And then, of course, you've got, as I mentioned, the park across the street. Okay, thank you so much.